Hello, beta. Good afternoon, everyone. Beta, today we are going to go ahead and talk about the different kind of intellectual property rights, right? We already in the last class studied about what is intellectual property right. हमने पहले ही पढ़ लिया है कि आईपीआर होता क्या है और कुछ तरीके के आईपीआर को हमने पिछली क्लास में पढ़ा था, right? Today I want to go ahead and I want to continue with that topic. And I want to pick up on some more IPRs और कुछ तरीके के इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स क्या होते हैं, कब कौन सा एक्ट अप्लाई किया जाता है. I want to go ahead and I want to talk about that again, right? Further, as I mentioned in the last class, we are going to talk about the reason for IPR. तो हम आज इसके बारे में भी बात करेंगे कि what are the objectives of intellectual property rights, why does it come into picture. We will go ahead and we will talk about that as well. ठीक है बेटा, लास्ट क्लास में हमने ये पढ़ा था कि एक इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट है पेटेंट्स. हाँ, then we also talked about the copyright, then we talked about trademark. First of all, today I want to talk about some more, so please write down that one kind of intellectual property right, that is industrial design. It is industrial design. Now, as the name suggests, when we talk about industrial design, in industrial design, the name is enough for me to explain this, that in industrial design, we are going ahead and we are getting rights related to the size, shape, configuration, pattern of particular product, right? So this is where you have aesthetic design or shape, configuration, pattern, ornamentation applied to products, right? The time period for which you're given right here is 10 years, right? And it is also extendable more by 5 years by the help of Design Act 2000, right? Then, just for example, to give you an example of Industrial Design Act, a particular design of jewelry, right? Say let's go ahead and say that Kalyan Jewelers has made a particular jewelry, है ना, and उसको उसके डिजाइन को अपने लिए सेफ गार्डेड रखना है. Yeah, let's go ahead and let's take the example of say a particular shape of bottle of Coca-Cola, है ना. So these are industrial design. Okay. Then you have next as geographical indications. Geographical indication. So what does it protect? Product linked to specific location with unique qualities. Product linked to specific location with unique qualities. Again, the time period is 10 years and it is renewable indefinitely. Right. To go ahead and give you example of geographical indications, an example can be, say, Darjeeling tea. It belongs to Darjeeling. है ना? So it is given by Registration and Protection Act 1999, right? So like Kanchipuram silk, like Nagpur orange, right? So you are linking a product to a particular place. Example, Darjeeling tea, Nagpur orange, etc. Okay. Okay. Then the next one that we go ahead and have, that's called as plant variety protection. Plant variety protection is where we are going ahead and we are giving the right based on the plants, right? So, for example, um, new hybrid cotton varieties. So, there is a new kind of hybrid cotton plant which produces this, and I'm giving you protection against it. Or say Pusa basmati rice, right? So again, a particular type of rice which is being grown, and that variety is getting protection. Okay. So here we give protection when we have new plant, varieties with distinctiveness, right? Uniformity, stability. Okay. Now the time period for this is 6 to 15 years, depending on variety. Depending on variety. Okay. And this is under the protection of plant varieties and Farmer Right Act 2001. Right. Example, Pusa basmati rice or new hybrid cotton varieties. Right, but then you have trade secrets. Trade secrets. Trade secret is when you have a particular secret of why you're able to do something in a particular way, like Coca-Cola's recipe of making the cold drink, like Google search engine algorithm, right? So this is where you have confidential business information providing competitive advantage, right? So the time period is unlimited because it is your secret. No one knows it, right? As long as you can maintain secrecy. As long as secrecy can be maintained, right? And there is, no specific act for it because it's a secret. As long as you maintain the secret, it remains a secret. So, example, Coca-Cola recipe, Google's search engine, etc. Then the next one that you have, but that is called as layout design of integrated circuits. Layout design of integrated circuit, right? So this is usually for original layout design of semiconductor chips. The period is 10 years. It is for using, the act that is protecting it is Semiconductor Integrated Circuits Layout Act 2000. Circuit Layout Design Act, beta, 2000. So example can be if I have produced a particular architect in mobile processors, right? A particular chip architect, the mobile का processor हम ऐसे करके छोटा बना सकते हैं, then that can be protected. So chip architecture used in mobile processor can be an example. Is it making sense? So these are the different kind of the acts that you have to protect your different businesses, to protect different secrets. Okay. Okay, beta.